IRIX guy here, and I had quite a bit of a challenge assembling this Bright Starts ball play. Check your owner's manual, figure it out yourself, but I wanted to show you the most confusing aspect of this. Number one point of failure, when I was installing this, I didn't have these on the outside, had them tucked on the inside, and it made the walls look kind of funky. And the other thing, this is how I did the legs. You can see here underneath, there's a little thing that this goes in, and then on the side it goes through that, kind of like a tent. So, you know, it's kind of confusing. But one thing worth mentioning is that on the bottom, see how that's yellow, and see how that thing that it goes in is yellow? See how that's gray, and how the thing it goes in is gray? So gray clip and gray hole, yellow clip and yellow hole. So that kind of makes it less confusing, a little bit more intuitive. So, yep, if you're Santa Claus and you're assembling a ball play, maybe this will help. But again, check your owner's manual and read it yourself. But I was finally able to get this together. Oh, and check the link within this video's description. You can find the ball play and a lot of other baby stuff too. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. YouTube.com/IRIX guy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IRIX guy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.